Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain some more topics on dual of a plane graph. Already in previous video, I have explained how to find dual of a plane graph. Now we are going to study its property or some more concepts on dual of a plane graph. So very first thing, what we are going to study is uniqueness. So whether we are finding the dual of a graph, right? It has uniqueness or not. So consider a graph. So consider a graph G. So how to find its dual? We have to consider the regions R1, R2 and third region and fourth region. The dual of the graph can be written in many ways. So how to draw the dual of this graph? So here we have one edge. So we have to connect 1 and 2. Here we are having another edge. This edge is common to region 2 and region 4. So we have to connect this. We are having another edge. This edge is common to region 3 and region 4. This edge is common to region 3 and region 4. This edge is common to region 2 and region 4. This edge is common to region 1 and region 4. This edge is also common to region 1 and region 4. So this graph, dual of this graph is 1, 2, again we are having 3 here and region 2 here. This edge is common to region 2 and region 3. So this we can write it as this form. So here we are having 4. This is connected to this 1 and 2. For 3, 1, 2. And from 2 we are having 2 edges. This is dual of the graph G, which can be denoted by G star. The same graph we can write it as three, and I'll take 4 here. 1, 2, 3. 1 is connected to 4. 1 is connected to 4. 3 is connected to 4 using 2 edges. Again 2 and 4 has 2 edges. I can draw edge here also. I can draw like this also. Right? This is also a dual of our G. So in so many ways, number of ways we can draw dual of a graph. So whether dual of a graph has n number of graphs, whether it is having infinite number of graphs or not, that is the one question. So a planar graph G has one geometric dual. It will be a graph will be having one geometric dual. All geometric duals of planar graph are isomorphic graphs. So this is dual of graph G. This is also dual of graph G. So what is the relation between these two? These two graphs should be isomorphic to each other. So what is isomorphic graph? It should be graph G1 and G2 should have same number of vertices and same number of edges, and degree of each vertex should be same as in the another graph. For example, here we are having 4 vertex. Here also we are having 4 vertex. Here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 edges. Here also we are having 8 edges. Degree of 1 is 3. Here also degree of 1 is 3. Degree of 4 is 6. Here also degree of 4 is 6. Degree of 2 is 4. Here also degree of 2 is 4. Degree of 3 is 3. Degree of 3 is 3. So G1 and this graph and this graph are isomorphic to each other. So all geometric duals of planar graph G are isomorphic graphs, and every isomorphic to a geometric dual of G is also a geometric dual of G. So we are finding dual of a graph, that is one of the dual. If we have isomorphic to graph G star, that isomorphic graph is also dual of graph G. Suppose we consider another graph G which is isomorphic to G itself. I'll take it as G1. I'll draw the graph in this way. So in this example, graph G and G1 are isomorphic to each other because in graph G we are having 6 number of vertices. In graph G1 also we are having 6 number of vertices. In graph G we are having 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number of edges. In G1 also we are having 8 number of edges. Degree of A is 2, degree of 3 is 2. Degree of B is 3, degree of 1 is 3. So all the vertices having same degree as in G1. So G and G1 are isomorphic to each other. Let us find dual of this graph. So how many regions it is having? One region. I'll take it as R1. Second region and third region, fourth region. If we draw dual of this, R2 is connected to this, R3 is connected to R4, R3 is again connected to R4, R2 again connected to R4, R1 is connected to R2, R1 again connected to R2, R1 connected to R4. So geometric dual of this graph is R1, R2, R3, R1 is connected to R2, R2 is connected to R3, R1 is connected to R2 twice, and R4, R3, from R3 again, from R2, and from R2 again, from R1 only once. So this is geometric dual of this graph G, but this geometric dual is not isomorphic to G star because in here 4 is having degree 6, but here 4 is having degree 5. Even though G and G1 are isomorphic to each other, these duals are not isomorphic to each other because it depends on the way we draw the graph. So what is the uniqueness of the dual of the planar graph? If we draw a dual of a planar graph, we will get a geometric dual. If we have isomorphic graph of G star, those isomorphic graph is also a dual of G. But when we have dual of two graphs, when we have isomorphic graph G and G1, its dual need not be isomorphic to each other. Whenever we are having two isomorphic graph, its dual need not be isomorphic to each other. Next topic is we are going to find double dual. Now we know how to find dual. So for the graph G, I got a dual which is G star. This is first dual. For this graph, if I find another dual, that will be double dual. So for a graph G, G star is dual. So for this graph, if I find a dual, for example R1, R2, this is very congested, I'll write here. So we are having dual of a graph. So how many regions we are having? R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 and R6. This edge is connected between R1 and R6. This is connected to each other and this is connected to R6 again, R4 to R6, R2 to R6. So dual of this graph is R6, R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. So R1 is connected to R2, R2 to R3, R3 to R4, R4 to R5, R5 is connected to R6, R4 is also connected to R6, R2 is connected to R6 and R1 is connected to R6. This is G. This is dual of our previous graph. This is dual of our first graph. So this is double dual and it is denoted by G double star. So we are having a planar graph. If we find dual of it, we get a dual of the plane graph. Again, if we find dual of the graph, that is our double dual. Dual is denoted by G star. Double dual is denoted by G double star. Next topic is we are going to study what is self-dual. So what is self-dual means? A planar graph G is said to be self-dual if G is isomorphic to its geometric dual G star. So G and G star should be isomorphic to each other. See, in this case, here we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 vertex, but here we are having 6 vertex. So G star and G double star are not isomorphic to each other. Same here also. Here we are having 6 vertex. Here we are having only 4 vertex. So G and G star are not isomorphic to each other. But in self-dual case, in G and G star should be isomorphic to each other. So for example, consider a graph. This is one of the example I am taking. Here we are having 4 vertex and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. So we'll find dual of this. It is having 1 region, 2 region, 3 region and 4 region. R1 is connected to R4, R2 is connected to R4, R3 is connected to R4 and in between also it is connected. So we will have R4, R1, R2 and R3. R1 is connected to R4, R3 is also connected to R4, R2 is also connected to R4. So if we see here it is having 4 vertex, here also we are having 4 vertex. One is having 3 degree, 4 is also having 3 degree, 2 is also having 3 degree, 3 is also having 3 degree. R4 degree is 3, R1 degree is 3, R2 degree is 3, R3 degree is 3. So G star is isomorphic to G. In this case, we call the dual of the graph as self-dual.